Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn for those of you who are new. If you're not new, what's up, boo? I am here to take your nail art to the next level. If you are interested in tutorials, tips, tricks, everything in between, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. Today's nail art was turning heads left, right, up, down, and all around. I got so many compliments, so let me show you how I created this nail art look. And step one is to take off our old look. Now this look was a banger as well, but it don't have nothing on this new set. So to take off my old set, I do like to use my e-drill. This is a McCart e-drill that I got from Amazon. It is cordless, and then I take a sanding band. I don't know if this is a 180 or 100, but either one will get the job done. We are going to turn this nail drill up and we are going to go until we can't go no more.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
I have been itching to use these nail decals in a nail set. I mean, the color, the vibrant yellow / lime green, the croc print, plus the snake design and the Gucci on top. Hands down, best decal ever. And I got it from Heidi's Nail Supply in Parma, Ohio. So if you're ever in the area, go check them out. This next product is from Madam Glam. It is their Soak Off Builder Gel in a bottle. I love the consistency and I love this color. These iridescent flakes came from Heidi's Nail Supply store as well. They're so pretty and the color matched perfectly. The next item is Fine Glitter. Now this came from Amazon. Is it a nail set if you don't use glitter? I think not. Next, we got this lime green gel polish from Rosalind. This came in a set from Amazon. I love the consistency, I love the color, and I love this bottle. So sophisticated and elegant, don't you think? This next product has been with me through thick and thin. This is Madam Glam's XOXO. This is the perfect nude for all skin tones. Last but not least, we have this beautiful baby blue gel polish from Rosalind. I love the consistency, as I stated, with the lime green, and I also love this color. If you are interested in any of these products that I've shown, all of the ones that have links, I will link them down below for you to go check them out for yourself. Moving on. Now that we've taken off our old set and we got our new set on, we are going to apply our base coat. We are using Madam Glam XOXO. Like I said, this is the perfect nude for all nail types. In case you are wondering, we are using full cover nail tips. These are extra long stilettos. Also, the link will be down below because I did get them from Amazon. I don't know who needs to hear this. Yes, I do. You need to hear this. Go ahead and mix those polishes to create that color. This is how we take our nail art game to the next level. As you can see, I did have to go in with the dark green from Beetles to create the perfect color for myself. So again, if you're not already mixing and matching colors to create new colors, take this as your sign to be bold, be brave, and step outside the box. Do something unique. If you're anything like me, you have no idea what you want to do to your nails every time you get ready to do your nails. So I like to go to Instagram, and after I'm done doing my Instagram search, I go over to Pinterest. During my Instagram and Pinterest search, I did find these two nail creators or two nail designs that I decided to base my look after for this video. Shout out to the original creators because without you, I would not be here doing this set. We are starting off with our middle nail. We've already laid our base down and now we are carving out our French tip. We're going in with our custom turquoise color. I did have to use a couple of coats of this color in order for it to shine through the way that I wanted it to. I'm using a striper brush. It's the easiest for me when I'm doing my French tips. I'm only going halfway up because we are going to use that lime green neon yellow color to blend, the same as we saw in that first inspiration picture.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Need some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going.
When I'm using glitters, chunky glitters, nail foil pieces, I like to encapsulate them using builder base gel. And luckily, we do have this Madame Glam in the perfect color, so we're going to use that to seal in our glitters. We're focusing the glitter in that intersection between the lime green or lime yellow and the custom turquoise that we created.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Moving right along, we are now working on the pointer finger and the ring finger. We're going to do a straight line. One half will be a solid neon, yellow, green, whatever color you want to call it. And then the other half is going to be a French tip using our custom turquoise. This part of the nail design is a freestyle. I thought of it as I went along.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, you got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You talking more and more, I just can't get empathy, so I crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if I wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. But can't wait no longer, tell me how can fuck me up, don't let me down. Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold you. Take time, gotta trust who I let.
Improvise, improvise, improvise. If you don't take anything else from this video, I hope that you take this from it. You are going to have to improvise. You're going to have to think on the fly. You're going to have to make it up as you go. So keep that in mind. And I'm saying this because I am currently improvising. In the beginning of the video, I showed you the products that I'm going to use, and the main product was those nail decals with the snake print on it, or the snake or the Gucci. I was supposed to use it some way, somehow in this nail design, and it was preferably going to go on this nail, the pointer and the ring finger, those nails, I should say. But I forgot. Somewhere along the way, I started to freestyle, and I ended up here doing a croc print. We're going to make it textured by adding the glow in the dark powder that I got from Amazon. It'll be linked down below. But Keep in mind, sometimes you will have to improvise. Last but not least, we are going to do the pinky and the thumb. We are going to lay down a couple of layers of that builder gel from Madam Glam because it is a little sheer. It's so sheer that I even painted on some of our turquoise. Now, the turquoise doesn't match completely. This was the second batch, and sometimes when you do multiple batches, they come out a little bit different, but overall, you can't tell. It looks intentional. We're going to take our second inspiration picture and we're going to create some abstract lines. We're going to keep it very simple on the pinky and the thumb because we've already done a lot. And then we're going to add some bling as we always do. Because what's a nail set without bling? It's not a nail set. Amen? Amen. No, I'm just kidding. But sometimes a nail set needs a little bling and sometimes it don't. You got to know when and when not to. That's the key. And it comes with practice. It won't come overnight. You got to keep on doing it until you get that formula that works for you. Now the last steps is to add your top coat to your nails, add your cuticle oil to your fingers, and then take pictures, honey, because you did that. Thanks so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload, and I will be talking to you next time. Peace out.